Alright guys, it is freezing in this car, but welcome back to another video. What I'm going to be showing you in this video rather, is my old high school. I filmed at my old high school about a month or two ago, and I just never got around to uploading it to YouTube. I'm going to be showing you some of the hallways in the school. Sadly, I was not able to go inside while I was there, but I did get a few clips of the surrounding area. It's a little bit corny. I'm a little bit sentimental about it in the video. I still kind of am, honestly, but you know, they're tearing down my school to make way for another school, and I thought it'd just be a good idea to go down there and film what I could while I still could, if that makes sense. Or is it film what I can while I still could? I don't know. Yeah, guys, it's kind of corny, this video, so if you're into the corniness, then feel free to watch it. If not, I really don't care. This is more of like a... This is more of like a film for my own behalf, so I can look back and see what the school used to look like, and you know, for memory's sake, I guess. I'm way too sentimental. It's kind of crazy and kind of strange. But let's get into the video of where your boy went to high school. It's a new school that they're building over there. I'm not too happy about it. So sadly the school is locked. I guess there's students in there doing like band stuff or whatever they're doing. They must have got in somehow by a teacher. But yeah, gonna go on to the other side, see if I can film a little bit of the inside at least, from the hallways, and show you around a little bit more before we end this. So this whole parking lot here, it used to be one giant field for soccer games. Yeah, it started from here, the grass, and then went through here. Big giant soccer field, and then there was a, I guess, IFA spot right here with a small farm that they had. Portable has always been there. But as you can see, guys, well, you probably can't, but a lot has changed. It's kind of sad. The top of this hill right here, kind of close to the window, is where me and my friends would hang out during lunch. And then of course after lunch we went to our classes. I remember had a class over on the other side of that building. Quite a few memories in this location right here. It's so cool. Yeah, we used to spend a lot of time there too. My sophomore year. The hill was more of my junior and senior year. We're inside by the, over here. Here's the I-wing where I had that class. Looks a lot smaller, but also kind of not. Those portables used to never be there, but it's until more people started to go to the school that they put them up. That's kind of why they're building a new school, because there's so many people that moved in. And there is the main hallway. We'd have lunch over there sometimes my senior year. Pretty cool. A lot of memories here, guys. I'm really sad that they're going to be tearing it down. It's because everyone from California and other states moved here, and it's really stupid. It's locked. Yep. There's another hallway. That scared me to death, guys. I thought that was a real person. That was the graduating year before us, 2010. We were 2011. It's funny how one day you're a kid going to school here, and then the next day you're here and everybody's gone for forever. Kind of sad. Okay, I'm gonna check out a few more areas before we head out. How noisy this thing used to be. Still is. Wish I can go in. All the doors are locked. There's more rooms in that building over there, guys, but mainly it's just a hall with a gym, and that's pretty much it. This is a school that I went to, and it's going to be gone within the next few months, which really sucks, but it is what it is. Fun times. I had fun in high school. This is just Arts Park. The park right next to the high school. This road used to go through to a driver's ed course. But of course the new school's there. But there it is, guys. One final goodbye. This field here, the track, football field, it looks pretty much the same as it did before. But this area is actually kind of new as of a year or two ago, maybe sooner than that, but I'm kind of sad that they ripped it out and put this new track and field, because I don't know, to me it looks a little bit different, but I'm kind of like an originalist, if that's a word for it. I love things that stay the same. I don't like things that change. Maybe that's, I don't know. I hate change, especially when it's something that I really enjoy or like, or something from my past. Like this school used to be it just meant a lot to me going to the school here, and